I'm John Riggs, and I'm here to explain to you my Math Station Pete's Pizza place. Now, I designed Pete's Pizza to be used in a third grade classroom setting because the initial problem that I put up here, which I call the combo challenge, presents a word problem for students to use division to help solve it. For example, it says the menu board, which is here, shows the different topping combinations of some pizza toppings. So it'll list something like pineapple and peppers for $7, or broccoli and extra cheese for $6, black olives and peppers for $5. And what students have to do at the station is they have to figure out how much each topping costs on its own, instead of together with another topping. And what they'll do is they'll fill out a combo challenge sheet which lists the toppings out separately with a blank to the side, and they fill out the individual price of each topping. Now once they've done that, they can move on to the extra challenge cards, which will present a different word problem, and I've got 4 different challenge cards, and a teacher could create additional cards to go with it. So this card says, card number 1 says order a pizza. So using a pizza maker app on an iPad, they can create a pizza. So they'll drag and drop specific toppings. For example, it says add the following ingredients: pepperoni, olives, and extra cheese. How much will the topping cost in all? So the students will take the data they've collected on their graphic organizer, and they will use it to add up the total cost of the toppings for the extra activity card, or the extra challenge card. They'll fill in their answers on the back, which has an additional graphic organizer. Card number 2 is very similar, except we have an added question. So first, they will add different sets of toppings and total it. And question 2 says, what will be your total cost if you order 2 of these pizzas? So here we're pulling in some multiplication, or they can just add the cost of another pizza. Another such card would ask, if a pizza is cut into 8 slices, will there be enough pizza for everyone to have 2 slices? In this case, Pete has invited 3 friends to join him for dinner. So they'll have to use division to figure out if everyone can have 2 slices of pizza. Another question on the card says, how can you know if there will be enough pizza for everyone to have one? So here they have an opportunity to show their work on their graphic organizer. And then the 4th card, we're pulling in some subtraction using the money manipulatives that I have here, where it asks them, if your total pizza cost was $15.75, if you pay the $20 bill, how much change will you receive back? And once again, they can show their work on their graphic organizer. So at this station, we've got the display board, the menu items, we've got the combo challenge sheets, and then we have the extra challenge cards. For manipulatives, I have an iPad or Android tablet that has a pizza maker app where they just drag and drop toppings, or they can use the manipulatives that I have set here, which I've got pizza slices and laminated toppings. So they'll just kind of drag and drop the old school way, where they'll just put them onto the pizza slice, and then they'll take that and transfer that knowledge or that information to the graphic organizer using the data they've already collected with the combo challenge. So that's the overall idea with the display board. I was thinking ahead and thinking someday I'm going to use this in my classroom. I can swap out the instruction sheets, if it'll cooperate. I can swap out the challenge sheet here and also the extra challenge sheet on the other side, and I can put different questions or different instructions, and I can also use this for a different grade level by swapping out those instructions and challenge cards. So I'm hoping to really use this for my future classroom, and we'll just see what grade level that'll be, and I can, this has interchangeable components that will allow me to do that. Once again, I'm John Riggs, and that's my Math Center.